I think it's really important for us at MCF to not be operating in the wild, wild west.
Right.
What we're looking at is being on the front line of the technology change, or sort of on the cutting edge, not the bleeding edge. There is a gold rush going on. Right now there is an IT boom, and it's masked.
It's global.
Right. It's masked right now because the economy is still recovering, but Silicon Valley is booming. There's a new startup coming out with something cool every single day, and the risk is real that going out and jumping on some kind of really cool new technology, hey, you might just find the next big thing and it might really help your business, but you also might go and work with something and spend a year trying to get it all to work, and then they can't get the next round of funding, they get bought by somebody, and it gets shut down. So we definitely are looking at that in the tools that we're participating in. It doesn't mean that we don't go evaluate and look at technology that we can deliver that is further along that kind of risk spectrum, but the core technologies we use are really standards.
A company like MCF Media Solutions can help companies mine the data that is spread around their own enterprises, as well as data from outside the company, to help get to the answers faster, to help them analyze what audience trends are, and get better business decisions made earlier, so that we can shift that risk-reward index more on the reward side and away from the risk side.
There's like technical security, i.e. a hacker can't get in and get my data. It's encrypted, and there's all kinds of standards and audit practices and certifications you can get, and those are helping that aspect of security be adopted by IT professionals. The other side of security is financial security. Are they going to be around?
From an entertainment standpoint, where is the audience? What are they watching? What are they watching on? How do they want their content delivered? How quickly can they comment on the good and the bad of a piece of content? Do they like that content? Do they like that content? How many friends do they have? How many friends do they have? Within seconds of watching a motion picture, it's possible to weigh in with hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people, on your opinion of that motion picture. Did you like it? Did you not like it? And that is really interesting stuff. That's kind of the Wild West part. We know how to make movies. We know how to make television programming. We know how to do distribution. We're improving those things all the time. Okay? But what has changed fundamentally, particularly over the last, say, 10 years, maybe 10 to 15, is the audience, because they've been empowered in a way that is unprecedented in history. They have the ability to absorb content anywhere, any place, at any time, on a variety of different devices.
If you're not careful in this world about selecting really good technology partners, then you absolutely can be sitting on that bleeding edge, and the risk is real.